Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw 2D shapes. Kids, first we are using the color of blue. The next one is white. Now we are using the color of white. The next one is green. The color of green. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is yellow. Now we are using the color of black. Black color. Kids, the last one is red. Now we're using the color of red. First we draw and coloring the shape of star. And now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color of blue. The shape of star. Now we're using the color of blue. Kids, the next one is pentagon, the shape of pentagon. Now we are using the color of white. Now we're mixing and using the color of white. And now we're coloring the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. The color of white. Now mixing and using white color. Kids, the next one is square. Now we coloring the shape of square and using the color of green. Now we're using the color of green. Now mixing green color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. Now we're mixing and using the color of black. The last one is trapezoid. Kids, now we coloring the shape of trapezoid. We again using the color black. The shape of trapezoid. Today we draw 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.